girl jeans.
Good morning. What day is it? It's Thursday. Today is Thursday, and I've got a couple fun things planned for today. First, I'm gonna go get some coffee and a bagel sandwich. I don't know why last night I went to bed and I said, Abia, you need a breakfast, either a breakfast burrito or a breakfast bagel sandwich. So there's this spot close to my house that I've never been to. It's called Nature's Oasis, I think. It's like a cafe. You can get like breakfast and coffee. So that's what I need, a coffee and get me a little breakfast bagel sammy. And then there's this vegan donut shop, and they have this banana pie flavored donut, and it's the last day to get them. So I have to go get some of those. And then there's a thrift shop near my house that is having like 50% off everything. So I'm just gonna take a little meander, see if I can't find anything. I don't really have anything particular, maybe a trench coat, but I also am not gonna pay $1,000 for it. So that's the plan for today. Sandwich. This bagel sandwich. Look at that. I'm back, and I got banana pudding, Hostess, and then an old-fashioned. The old-fashioned ones are so good. These are all completely vegan, and they literally taste better than regular donuts, like for real. They're only having this one. Today's the last day for the banana pudding, so like I ran here to get it. So I'm gonna try this one right now. Oh my god. So good. Fueled up. I'm feeling good. I'm headed to the thrift store. It's 50% off everything today. So we're gonna see what we can find. Okay, I wanted to show you guys what I did end up picking up at the thrift store. I didn't really film in there because there was a lot of people in there and it was really hectic. But look at this beautiful, like dark gray trench coat. I think this would be considered a trench coat that I found, or maybe like a duster. I don't know. It's like this nice light material. I think it's perfect for the spring because it's still a little bit chilly, but not like you need to wear a parka. And I just thought this was just the most beautiful spring piece to add to my collection. I could wear it with an outfit like this. You could also just like tie it up, and it also has pockets. It could literally, like, look at this. Like, are you seeing this, man? Like, I think it's so cool, and I've never had anything like this. I think it's so cool, and everything was 50% off, and this was $4. This was $4. I feel like you would pay like, if you were trying to get this, you would pay like $80 for this, at least $100 maybe. I don't know, maybe, I have no idea. But I think like $4, like literally, it's so nice. I obviously have to clean it, but I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. I'm really excited to wear this, so yep, that's all. Okay, bye. Hello. So I'm in my closet. I have obtained the sudden urge to go through all of my clothes and create a spring capsule wardrobe. I've been watching a lot of these videos. I've never actually made a capsule wardrobe, but I've realized like the benefits from it because I feel like I have like a decent amount of clothes, but when it's time to go out, I never know what to wear. I'm always scrambling on what I should wear, and I figure if I just hone down, you know, 15, 20 pieces per season, and like, okay, these are your go-tos per season, then I think I'd get a lot more wear out of the clothes that I already have. And I don't want to go out and buy a bunch of new clothes. I might like buy a few, like, you know, specific pieces, but I know for a fact that I can make a decent spring capsule wardrobe with the things that I already have. So I'm in my closet where I'm gonna go through some things that I bring along the journey and through it, maybe even probably get rid of some things, see what I want to add to my capsule wardrobe. I've got these jeans. These are the H&M mom jeans. Definitely want to be adding these to the spring wardrobe. These are great. This is like a long dress from Zara. This is definitely going in the spring wardrobe. This could definitely be a part of my capsule wardrobe. Just a nice, like, simple, basic shirt. My Beyonce. Can't get rid of her. Oh, these are my skinny girl jeans. These usually only fit me in the summertime. Okay, in the wintertime, in the fall time, can't fit these anymore because I gain weight during those times. But just know the booty is always snatched in these jeans. I got them from, I think, Goodwill. These will not be in my capsule wardrobe because I won't be able to fit them till the summer. This, very cute. Maybe you can. Ooh, maybe I'll have a couple statement. Although it is a summer dress, I feel like I can put sweaters over this and like sneakers, jacket. I have this color and like a cream color. I'm just gonna fold these up. And then I'm gonna try some on to see what I want to do for my wardrobe.
Just if you're looking for outfit inspiration, because it really kind of fun. I think I've got a grey jumper. I purchased one from Vintage Studio. Bucket hat to her bag. So I'm going to do that too and style it with, because obviously they're individual vintage pieces. And then for the bucket.
Here is kind of what I've come up with for my spring capsule wardrobe. I still have to go over it tomorrow. But I tried some things on. I figured out, you know, stuff that wasn't gonna work, stuff that is. And I think I have some good pieces for the spring. I'll probably take a few of these things out. But I'm excited. Because I feel like first of all, I look like a hot mess, so just disregard. But I never know what to get because I never know what I have. So whenever I go shopping, I'm always like kind of like discombobulated and I just buy whatever I think is cute, and then I come home and I have nothing to style it with because I don't know what I have at home. So I feel like making this capsule wardrobe is gonna like force me to like wear things repeatedly that I own that I usually don't wear. All the clothes that I decided to get rid of, just a couple shirts, a couple pairs of, like a pair of pants, things that like literally have just been hanging in my closet for like months and months and months. A spring capsule wardrobe, so I'm excited. I'll keep you guys posted. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm gonna go take a shower and